1 sets. Continue miscellaneous exercise 1. Question 8. Show that for any sets A and B, A is equal to A intersection B union A minus B and A union B minus A is equal to A union B. You have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side, either right hand side is equal to left hand side. I will take first part. A is equal to A intersection B union A minus B. So in this right hand side I will take A intersection B union A minus B. A minus B, what you can write? A minus B. A minus B you can write A intersection B complement. See in Venn diagram. This is A. This is B. This is universal. This is A minus B, or you can say that it is A intersection B. Both are equal. So A intersection B union A instead of A minus B I can write A intersection B complement. Now by distributive property you will get intersection over union है और A common है, you can write A intersection B union B complement. This is by distributive property. So B union B is universal set. B union B complement is universal set. So A intersection universal is A. This is left hand side. Now I will do second part. This is over. Now I will take second part. See on the board. Second part, A union B minus A is equal to A union B. I will take left hand side A union B minus A. So you instead of B minus A you can write B intersection A complement. So here you can write B intersection A complement. Use distributive property. Union over intersection A union B intersection A union A complement. This is distributive property. Now A union A complement is universal set. A union B intersection, instead of this you can write universal. A union A complement is universal set. So A union B intersection A universal, तो क्या आएगा? A intersection B के सारे एलिमेंट्स किसमें होंगे? यूनिवर्सल सेट में होंगे. So this implies A union B is equal to right hand side. Now I will take one more question, that is question 9. See here, question 9. Using properties of set, show that, again you have to prove by property. First part, A union A intersection B is equal to A. Second part, A intersection A union B is equal to A. A union B is equal to A. I will take first part. A union A intersection B is equal to A. So I will take left hand side. A union A intersection B. Use distributive property A union A intersection A union B. It is union over intersection. Distributive property. Distributive property A union A is again A union A. क्या हो जाएगा ये? A union A is universal set. A union A is universal set. A union A. A union A is A. Intersection A union B. Now A union A is A. A intersection A union B implies क्या हो जाएगा? A union B और A का intersection लेंगे तो केवल क्या आएगा? A. This is right hand side. Now second part. A intersection A union B is equal to A. Now I will take left hand side. A intersection A union B. Distributive property लगाइए. A intersection A intersection A union B. This is distributive property. Now see here, A intersection A is again A union B. A का union B के साथ क्या आ जाएगा? A union here it is intersection. Here it is intersection. A union A intersection B is again A. That is right hand side. That is right hand side.